Here's a Samsung Galaxy A23. I'm going to show you how to force a restart. You typically want to force a restart if you can't power down or restart the traditional way. Okay, maybe there's something wrong with the screen or whatnot, or you're just stuck or frozen on an app or whatnot. Anyway, to force a restart is easy. It's a two-key combination. It's going to be the volume down and power button. You want to press both buttons at the same time. Do not let go until we see a Samsung logo appear, then let go of both buttons, all right? We'll do it together. Volume down, power, all right? Ready, set, go. Hold both buttons down. Don't worry about what's happening to the screen. Just continue to hold volume down, power. Still holding on both buttons here, waiting for a Samsung logo to appear. Still holding. The phone just turned off. I'm still holding on both buttons here. Now just be patient until you see the Samsung logo appear. Still holding. Volume down and power button. Come on. Up, Samsung logo. Let go of both buttons and there you go. You just force it to restart. Questions or issues, just comment below. See you guys on the next one.